Hey friends, Miss Rachael here. Today, we're going to celebrate National Nutrition Month by making a delicious and healthy snack using Myplate. Are you ready? Let's get started. But wait, before we begin, what exactly is Myplate? Well, Myplate is one of the tools that we can use to help us eat balanced meals every day. Take a look at this plate here. We're going to split it into different sections to represent different food groups: vegetables, fruits, grains, protein, and we can't forget about dairy on the side. I'm going to build my snack plate starting with the protein group. Foods in this group help us grow, move, and become stronger. Some examples of foods in the protein group include eggs, fish, beans, meat, and tofu. For my snack today, I'm going to add some hummus. Hummus is made of chickpeas, which is another great source of protein. Next, let's add some fruits and vegetables to our Myplate snack. Today, I'm going to have some strawberries, carrots, and cucumber slices. Fruits and vegetables come in all kinds of colors, and each color is important for our bodies to be healthy. Fruits and veggies that are red help keep our heart strong and give us healthy skin, while orange fruits and veggies help our eyesight. Yellow fruits and veggies help our memory, and green ones make our bones and teeth strong. And last but not least, blue and purple fruits and veggies keep our minds healthy as we get older. Let's move on to our grains. Foods in this group can contain wheat, oats, cornmeal, or any other type of grain. Some examples are bread, tortillas, rice, and pasta. I'm going to add some whole wheat crackers to this section of my snack. Foods that contain whole grains are full of nutrients and can give us energy throughout the day. We're almost there. Now time for some dairy. Foods in this group include milk, yogurt, and cheese, which I'm going to add to my snack. Dairy foods contain two key nutrients: vitamin D and calcium. These nutrients help keep our bones and teeth strong and healthy. And that's it. Our Myplate snack is complete. Now you can use this tool to come up with your own balanced and delicious snacks at any time of the day. How many different Myplate snack combinations can you come up with? Thanks for joining me today. I had a lot of fun celebrating National Nutrition Month with you all. Have a great day and hope to see you again soon.